Okay, continuing with our series of wheel arch liners. To introduce that briefly, the purpose of them is to prevent us accumulating mud in the back of the wheel arches that then results in corrosion. The other place where it accumulates, of course, is this, at the front bottom of the wheel arch. And this is pretty much the sole cause of corrosion around the arches. So what we've got is the wheel arch kit from our German suppliers. I've already done a video on fitting the fronts, which worked out fairly logically obvious of how to fit these. The rears on the 140, I suspect I'm misunderstanding something here, because there's